Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide your homepage from the navigation menu on Wix. This is particularly useful when you want to streamline your site's navigation or create a custom landing page experience without cluttering your menu. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management options. This is your central hub for controlling different aspects of your website. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings that are displayed. It's important to make sure that this is indeed the website where you want to hide your homepage from the navigation menu. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking at this stage saves you from making changes to the wrong project. Next, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. You'll typically find it beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This action will direct you to the Wix website editor screen where all the design and structural changes happen. The editor is where you have full control over your site's appearance and navigation structure. Once you're in the Wix editor, start looking for the Pages and Menu option on the left navigation panel. This section is crucial because it houses all your site's pages and controls how they appear in your navigation. Go ahead and click on Pages and Menu to open it up. The Pages and Menu section will expand, showing you a complete list of all the pages you have on your Wix website. This gives you a clear overview of your site's structure. From this list, locate your home page, hover your cursor over it, and you'll see a three-dot icon appear, which is the More Actions button. Click on this icon and a small settings window will pop up with several options. From this settings window, select and click the Hide from Menu option. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that your homepage will automatically disappear from your navigation menu in the header. The page itself still exists on your site, it's just no longer visible in the top menu, giving you that cleaner navigation structure you were after. And there you have it, you've successfully hidden your homepage from the navigation menu on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.